Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's a couple of days before New Year's Day, so I thought today that I would stay in the kitchen and make some New Year's Keto Almond cookies. They're low carb, sugar free, gluten free, paleo even, and vegetarian if you're into that sort of cookies. So without any further ado, if you want to see me make these wonderfully nutritious, delicious almond keto cookies, then please stay watching. Here I am in the kitchen. The cookie is as such. It has hardened a little bit, but that's what you want. You want a pretty sort of solid cookie. And of course, now we do the taste test. It is very buttery, and you can taste the cinnamon slightly, but it's like almost a macaroon type of cookie because there's so much almond meal in there. Great with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, whatever suits your tastes. As for me, I can just have this as is, but I'll probably have it with a cup of coffee. So on that note, if you enjoyed watching me make this fantastic cookie, which by the way you can store in the fridge or in the deep freezer for whenever you want to use, so obviously you can bulk make them and enjoy them whenever you want. So until then, bye for now.